Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to enable Widevine DRM in Brave Browser. This feature is essential if you want to stream protected content from platforms like Netflix, Spotify, or other services that require digital rights management. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser window is open and you can see your homepage or any active tab, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines there, which is your main menu icon. Click on those three lines to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, look for and click on Settings. This will take you into the main configuration area where you can customize how Brave works. After clicking Settings, you'll be brought to a new page with several options available. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a vertical panel containing different categories. From this panel, click on Extensions. This section is where Brave manages all browser add-ons and built-in features that enhance your browsing experience. Extensions is specifically where Widevine lives, since it's technically a content decryption module that Brave treats as an extension. Once you're in the extensions section, look for Widevine in the list. You'll see it displayed along with other extensions and features. Right beside the Widevine label, you'll notice a toggle switch. Go ahead and click that toggle to turn it on. This action enables the Widevine Content Decryption module, which allows your browser to play DRM-protected media from streaming services. Without this enabled, you'll likely run into playback errors or be completely blocked from accessing certain content on various platforms. Now that you've toggled Widevine on, you need to restart your browser for the changes to take full effect. Look down at the bottom right corner of the settings page. You'll see a button that says Relaunch Now. Click on that button to close and restart Brave immediately. The browser will shut down for just a moment and then reopen automatically with all your tabs restored. This relaunch ensures that Widevine is fully activated and ready to decrypt protected content. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Widevine DRM in your Brave browser, and you're now ready to stream content from Netflix, Spotify, and any other platform that requires digital rights management. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.